In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Chrome to desktop mode on mobile. If you've ever opened a website on your phone and noticed that it looks simplified, missing features, or different from what you see on a computer, switching to desktop mode can help. Chrome on mobile gives you a quick way to request the desktop version of a site, and it only takes a few taps. To start, open Chrome on your mobile device and go to the website you want to view. Let the page load normally first so you can confirm you're on the correct site. This is the page you'll be switching from the mobile layout to the desktop layout. Once you're on the website, tap the More icon in Chrome. This is the three-dot menu, usually located in the corner of the browser. Tapping this opens a menu with additional browsing options. From that menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Desktop Site. When you find it, check the box next to it. This tells Chrome to request the desktop version of the page instead of the mobile version. Keep in mind that some websites may still behave a little differently depending on how they are built, but in most cases, this will give you a layout much closer to what you'd see on a computer. After you select Desktop Site, the page will reload automatically. You don't need to refresh it yourself. Once it finishes loading, you should see the desktop version of that website on your phone. Because desktop pages are designed for larger screens, the text and buttons may appear smaller, so you may need to zoom in or scroll more carefully. If you want Chrome to always open sites in desktop view by default, there's a setting for that as well. Start by tapping the More icon again, then go into Settings. This opens Chrome's main settings menu, where you can change how websites behave across the browser. In Settings, look under the Advanced section and select Site Settings. This area controls permissions and display behavior for websites in Chrome. Next, tap Desktop Site. You'll see a setting specifically for this feature. Turn on the desktop site toggle to make Chrome request desktop versions by default when possible. That's all it takes. You can switch a single website into desktop mode from the browser menu, or you can turn on the default desktop setting for a broader experience across sites. If a page doesn't look right the first time, give it a moment to reload fully. And if needed, you can always return to the same settings and turn the feature off later.